Hello everyone, welcome to SQL Depository. I am Soros Pandey. In my last lecture, we have created a basic chatbot. We have also discussed the response candidates, but in brief. In this video, I am going to cover a bit more detail about candidates. So if you look at my try block here, I have added this piece of code, this block of code inside run chatbot function, which is telling Gemini to return multiple candidates whenever it is returning any response. Also, I've defined one more Python variable to capture the output from candidate 1. And here it is printing the response from the candidate 1 with the prompt Gemini 2. The original response from candidate 0 will be returned with the prompt Gemini. Let me go ahead and increase the size of this terminal and run the Python code chatbot.py. Okay, I've got the prompt from my code to ask the question. So this time I'm going to ask what is oops, I'm not typing here. What is SQL Server in brief? And this time I'm expecting two candidates from the Gemini response. Okay, so here as you can see, the first response that I'm getting with the prompt Gemini and the second response, which is from the candidate 1, I'm getting the response here. So this time I've got two responses, two response candidates from Gemini. What exactly those response candidates are? So suppose you have a question and you ask that question to multiple people. You will get multiple responses. If they are giving the right answers, then those responses will be more or less same. This is the same case with Gemini. Gemini will return almost the similar response, but they might be little different, but those two responses must be true. There should not be a big difference in those responses. As you can see the output here, there is a slight difference in the response, but the responses are more or less same. So this is how the multiple candidates works in the response from Gemini. This is what I wanted to cover in this lecture, but in the next video, I will create a basic Flask UI for the chatbot. Thank you for watching this video.